Tunasema siku hizi kuomoka Kenya ni rahisi, ila shida ni DCI. Mniruhusu kidogo niwaletee kisa ambacho kimepata kugonga vyombo vya habari nchini Kenya baada ya Wakenya 8 kukamatwa baada ya kuilaghai nchi ya Marekani dola trilioni 439. Imagine conning the government of the United States over 439 trillion in dollars. So convert that money. Hiyo ni pesa inatosha kulipa deni ya Kenya na tumalizane na mashida za Kenya. Ila DCI wamepata kuwatia mbaroni na kuwakamata watu hao ambao walipata kuiba pesa hizi. Ni wa Kenya. And I wonder, DCI ni nini shida na hawa watu? These people, if they come and pump this money back into our economy might start back on its feet in just 1 or 2 days. Hizo pesa, hata mkikamata hawa watu, munawakamata then mnachukua pesa. Lakini hii pesa nayo itaingia. Sometimes hii nchi, unashindwa nani anaweza shuka iokoe. Hata Mfalme Daudi hawezi iokoa. Hii nchi imekufa hii. Hii nchi imekufa because we imagine you arresting people with over that 439 trillion US dollars. If you convert that money into Kenyan shillings, that money is over 500 trillion. 500 trillion. Remember that the Kenyan debt, public debt right now is just 10 point something trillion. Something that can be taken care of by this money in a blink of an eye. Na turudi tu kuishi kama matajiri kama wa Saudi Arabia kule Qatar na Dubai. Now, reading the publication from the DCI and what they had to say in regards to the fraud. Wanasema suspect in US dollars for the 439 trillion mega fraud arrested in Nairobi. DCI Operations Support Unit detectives have nabbed 8 suspects in a US dollar 439 trillion mega fraud targeting 2 foreign businessmen from Netherlands. In the ongoing operation at a warehouse located in Nairobi, several boxes stashed with fake US dollars, suspected stolen Jago fatigues for administration police officers, military boots, customs reflector, jackets, among other recoveries have also been seized. In this orchestrated fraudulent scheme, the foreigners were contacted through a WhatsApp call by a number registered in the name of Canopy Shield agencies by a caller who informed them that their consignment of 40 pallets had been held at the Kenya Customs warehouse pending duty-free payment of US dollars 36,000. Allegedly, the complainant had entered into a cash on transit deal involving US dollars 439 trillion destined for Dubai from the Central Bank of Togo. The caller, who posed as a customs officer, convinced the complainants that the first bunch of 40 pallets contained US dollars 4 billion and that they were being flown through Kenya to facilitate their clearance and smooth entry to Dubai. Booking a flight to the country, the foreign nationals landed at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, JKIA, hoping to clear the required duty fee at once. And being noticed to the fraudsters that detectives had got wind of the ongoing goings, a contact person led the 2 foreigners at the warehouse where the purported consignment was being held. As the 8 suspects got busy around the warehouse convincing their targets to part with 36 US dollars, the operations team stormed the premises. Moses Otieno, Peter Aura, Brian Waweru, John Kalombo, Peter Kisanya, Noah Uma, Charity Njeri, and Mercy Cheptoo were all cornered and led away into police cells. Currently, the operation is ongoing, with the 2 foreign nationals being investigated and interviewed to shed light on the business deal in question. Imagine unaiba pesa ambayo inaweza lipa the Kenyan budget, can stand for the Kenyan budget for the next 20 years. Hiyo ni wizi wa kimataifa. Wizi ambao unakubadilishia maisha. Ndio naambianga ukienda kuiba, wacha kwenda kuiba vikapu na ng'ombe na mbuzi za watu. Still something that will change your life. Hata ukipatikana ni deal fiti itakuwa imechomeka. Si ati unapatikana na ni vitu za ujinga ulikuwa unaiba. For now that's